I'm taking you now to Amritsar because the investigation is intensifying on attempt to assassinate Sukhbir Singh Badal. Right outside the Golden Temple, the shocking visual, all caught on camera. According to our sources now, shooter Narayan Singh Chaura attacked Sukhbir Singh Badal with a 9mm pistol. This terrorist formerly has been associated with Babar Khalsa. Now, he was a lone wolf, appears to have acted on his own, but there is a Pakistan angle being probed for a reason. The fact that Chaura had crossed over to Pakistan decades ago, and we are told that he also did a recce yesterday. He wanted to understand, and why yesterday? Because for the past 2-3 days, Sukhbir Singh Badal has been, as a form of symbolic penance, has been at the Golden Temple. And by the Akal Takht, there is a certain kind of seva as a form of symbolic punishment that he has to offer for any of the factors he's been guilty of. But he did the kind of recce to understand where does he really sit, what happens. And remember, he walks in like any elderly devotee. Nobody really realizes what happens till he manages to take out a weapon and an alert associate next to Sukhbir Singh Badal. He's basically the real savior. He charges at Chaura to ensure that the shot that was fired did not hit Badal. Aman Bhardwaj joining me right now with senior officers. Aman, go ahead.
Well, Pooja, this incident has taken over sparked a controversy because every political class is commenting on it. And recently, BJP had made their comments that law and order situation is getting worse. Each one is not safe. That's what BJP is saying. We are joined by DGP, Special DGP on Law and Order, Arpit Shukla. So, BJP and other political leaders are saying they are more concerned about law and order situation. You're the DGP for law and order specifically. How you see is law and order not in control?
Well, first of all, I would like to tell you about the incident that took place today. At 9:30 in the morning, when Mr. Sukhbir Badal was doing seva at Golden Temple at Amritsar, this person by the name of Narayan Chaura, he appeared and he had a weapon with him, and he tried to shoot at Mr. Sukhbir Badal, and our forces were alert. We had deployed one AIG, 2 SPs and 2 DSPs in the complex, and since our boys were alert, he was overpowered, and our boys averted a major tragic incident. So, it is not correct to say that law and order is not proper. In fact, it was due to the alertness of the police and security forces that we could avert this incident. Our 3 boys, namely Jasveer Singh, Parminder Singh and Rajpal Singh, these 3 boys were on duty, and they immediately, when they saw this man, he was overpowered and he was not allowed to fire on Mr. Badal.
So, Jasveer Singh is only that person who stopped that Narayan Singh Chaura from firing?
Yes, in fact, Jasveer Singh was there, then Parminder Singh was there. There were 3 of them, Rajpal Singh also. So these 3 were very close to Mr. Badal and they overpowered him. And a case has been registered. This man has been arrested. He has a criminal background. He has over 20 cases against him, and he has been arrested, and investigations are going on.
So was he linked with the Khalistan Liberal Force also, sort of militant group also?
Yes, as I told you, he was involved in number of such cases earlier, and he was linked to the terrorist movement in Punjab.
So SGPC has raised concern that Sukhbir Badal has to go for other such places as well to perform seva. So how his security and safety is being now monitored, or has some steps been taken for concerning his security?
Well, Mr. Sukhbir Badal is a Z plus category protectee, and he has CISF with him. And in addition to that, Punjab Police has also provided a big contingent of police force with him. And we will make sure that adequate and foolproof arrangements are in place wherever he goes.
So, weapon is allowed in the premises Golden Temple, because some leaders and some groups have also raised concern that how come this Narayan Chaura took the weapon inside and fired on Sukhbir Badal.
In fact, I would like to tell you that whatever deployment is there in Golden Temple is in civil clothes, and we don't send our boys, and there is SGPC force also deployed for checking and screening the people. But it was primarily due to our alertness that we could avert this incident.
But how it is avoided? Because he was held when he fired on Sukhbir. His hand and pistol was held when he fired. So can't that be avoided prior, because action could have been taken when he entered the premises?
No, you see, we will look into all these aspects, but primarily, as I told you, uniformed policemen are not there within the complex. We do deploy our boys in CVs, and they keep a watch on the situation. And how it happened, what happened, we are looking into all these aspects, and I'll get back.
Don't you think it got delayed?
All right, so that's the special DGP Law and Order there in Punjab Police. This is going to be very important, remember, to investigate further. Who is this Narayan Singh Chaura, his background, and importantly, the assassination bid he attempted at Sukhbir Singh Badal, and why? Right outside the Golden Temple, realizing the sanctity of the holy site, that did not deter him, and he felt that this is the moment that he wants to literally shoot to death for Badal. We have a big news coming in that for now it's a lone wolf being seen, but Pakistan angle is being investigated.